So I decided to go ahead and try this DIM SGS Plus. And what initially caught my attention was its focus on promoting balance and supporting detoxification naturally, which aligns perfectly with my personal health goals. Now, the reason why I chose this one is because I was drawn to its clean formulation. It's designed with unnecessary additives, which is an essential factor for me when choosing supplements. This capsule encourages balance and provides detoxification benefits, supporting my overall well-being in a thoughtful way. This supplement has been a reliable part of my daily routine. It is clear that this company puts effort into creating high-quality products that align with their users' needs. So that's why this makes it a great choice, and I am happy to share that with others seeking to enhance their routines as well.